Hi everyone, this is Dahu for the Doorbell. I'm staying home like everyone else from the band because our shows have been cancelled until at least September. So all the festivals, everything is just off. And I'm trying to get up early, trying to exercise a lot. I'm writing new songs. And our plan for the next 12 months pretty much had to change. So it hasn't been easy in the first 2 weeks to just change from playing live all the time to writing new songs. But I have a lot of sketches that I hadn't had the chance to work on, and now I have all the time in the world to work on new songs, which is really great. The city is empty, and I really love that. And it's very quiet. I think I really enjoy that you can walk through town, and it's like the sound of the town is as if time has slowed down. I really love that. Now I'm gonna play a song for you. The song is called FOCE. Spent the night tossing and turning, oh, you were on my mind. Take me back to when I was still what you needed. When you carried me through the corridors, round and round in your force. Now I am alone, watching the cloud cover foam into a storm. Oh, baby, I'm on the way. Can't you hear the thunders rumbling above? Now we're here for them. Oh, and you're scattered to the four winds. Far in the morning hours, and the wide reaches of my home faltered, and I know that you have too. Take me back to when I was still all you needed. Oh, when you carried me through the corridors, round and round in your forms. Now I am alone, watching the cloud cover foam into a storm. Oh, baby, I'm on the way. Can't you hear the thunders rumbling above the town? Now wait here for them to gather me in. All of the lines in your wall will fade. Wrinkles round your eyes, my friend. All of the lines in your wall will fade. So thank you for watching and listening, and I hope that everyone will come to our shows again once we can play. And yeah, until then, stay home, don't be stupid, and stay healthy. Yeah, thank you and take care. Ciao.